So if you have alopecia and still want to look cute and use braid style, well, this video is for you. So stay tuned until. And if you are new here, I am Shandine, and I am specializing in natural hair care and also braiding. Today we are going to dive right into a high requested topic: how to braid hair if you have alopecia. So if you have alopecia, you're going to want to listen to this video to the end. So whether you or someone you know is dealing with alopecia, this video will provide some helpful tips and technique to create a beautiful braid that are gentle on the scalp and help to boost your confidence. Let's get started. You're going to want to make sure that you prepare the hair in terms of, it depends on how the head is shaped and where the person have the thin hair or the alopecia or the hair loss in what area. So like for my client, as you can see, she have it on the crown top of her head, and the crown, but she still have some hair that can be able to braid and maneuver with. But you got to be technical when doing this style. You have to know, you have to look at the position of the head, where the hair is, what angle you are to place your braid and place the attachment to get it literally form into place. You also have the option to use a mesh cap that you can use onto the hair for less stress onto the hair, but my client do not like mesh or anything else onto her hair, so I just use strands of braid that will actually get it to look more natural and build a body or a structure that the braid will be able to hold on to and look more like a natural flowing braiding style. So guys, I am not going to be doing too much talking. You can watch this video to the end. If you like this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that when I post the video that you will be able to see them. So as you can see, I went ahead and did most of it, but I just want to show you how I was able to do it. So keep watching it to see how I did it. I don't think I can explain it any much better, but to just show you how it is done. And I hope if you have any difficulty, of how I did it, just remember to just pause the video or go back to the starting and slow it down every time. And you can slow down the video if you choose to. All right, so I just want to say thank you so much for watching. And remember to give me a thumbs up if this video provide any helpful tip for you. Have yourself an awesome day, and remember to be kind to yourself. Remember, God loves you.
Braiding.